Hello friends, this question is again from NET exam. Here we are having to identify X and Y. Here is the X formed after the first reaction, and then we are having a Y product formed after the second reaction. The condition given is thermal in the first one and photochemical in the second one. If you are carefully observing, we are having a diene over here, diene, and a dienophile, which means that it will give me Diels-Alder reaction. Very important that it will give me Diels-Alder reaction. In Diels-Alder reaction, as we know that how the reaction it takes place, we have double bond, the diene plus the alkene. This bond falls here, this bond falls here, and we get only one bond here. Now the problem is we are having a group over here. It can come above the plane of the paper or it can be shown as below the plane of the paper. In this case also it's shown above the plane of the paper. In this case this is shown below the plane of the paper. So just remember, in Diels-Alder reaction, endo product is favored. Endo product means downwards. Whenever it is down, it is more favored than the exo product. This is exo and this is endo. Exo means above the plane of the paper, endo means below. So that means option A gets cancelled out because here we are having exo product less stable than the endo product. Here also we are given as exo product, so this gets cancelled. So among option C or D, we will be having our answer. So endo product, it is more favored than the exo product because of steric and the stability factor. The next part, it is the second reaction. We are having the product that we should get, it is Y. So either it can be option C or option D, because both are showing endo product. The next case is we are concerned about Y. Y they are given as follows. The condition is H nu. If you remember the Paterno-Bucci reaction, so if a double bond is given and carbonyl group, they form a bond like this. We will be having, okay, so this product, it is in the Paterno-Bucci reaction, and this is we are getting is a 4-membered ring is getting only in option C. Okay, here we are not getting that 4-membered ring as you consider this reaction. So this reaction we are getting only in option C. If you can see the double bond, we are losing it from here and we are getting a 4-membered compound. So this is the right option. Option C becomes the right choice.